Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to Woo Can Cook. Today we're diving back into our series dedicated to South Asian Indian cuisine with a shot at another classic Indian dish, which is a spiced potato and vegetable samosa. For those unfamiliar, a samosa is a dish of South Asian origin which most prominently features a buttered pastry dough that has been stuffed with a savory filling, then fried into a crispy, puffy, delicious pastry. Those that have been following along at this point may have noticed that, not unlike a dumpling, the concept of a stuffed buttered pastry transcends many different food cultures, which of course makes sense being that it is not a complicated concept. To my taste, the samosa has a lot of similarities to the Chinese jiao, the Spanish empanada, the Jamaican meat pie, and many others. What is particularly unique about the samosa, however, is that it is most often iconically stuffed with a spiced potato filling, making for a wonderful toothsome vegetarian small bite. Okay, so let's get into it.